Hello and welcome to Jane Tanner Designs Crochet YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to end one row and begin the next. So here I have our basic chain and I'm going to do half double crochets on this row. Now this is me creating the first row of this pattern. I'm just going to do half double crochets across the entire row. All right, that is my row of half double crochets. Now to get started on the next row that goes back across, I'm going to chain one and I'm going to rotate the row already done like so. Now I'm going to continue to do half double crochets back across the row. I'm going to work in each stitch all the way across. Now that single chain that I did at the beginning of my row, that was a single chain for half double crochets. In other with other stitches, like with double crochets or triple crochets or single crochets, that may be different. Refer to your pattern to know how many you should do. And that is the second row of half double crochets. So let's just start the next row just as a quick review. We're going to chain one and then we're going to rotate, and you can start working on your half double crochets once again. Now this would be the start of row 3. As you can see, 1 row, 2 rows, 3rd row beginning right there. And that is how you end one row and begin another. Learning to crochet? Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a tip.